It's just crazy that it's just a room full of people being silent, and you think that wouldn't do that much, but it shows how much support we have for one another and even people just in our country.
Every year there seems to be a new controversial topic, whether it be about politics, religion, or in this year's case, gun control. On March 14th, the National School Walkout took place, but WHS took a different approach.
Right from the beginning, we knew that we wanted this to be a memorial for the students. We wanted this to be a way for students to come together as a community.
I think it was great that many of the students took the opportunity to express their feelings and to grieve. I'm pleased that they were able to exercise their First Amendment rights. I'm also pleased that the school made arrangements for students to be able to do so.
We're going to have a speech prepared where we talk about why we wanted to do this, why we're coming together as a school community to support the people that died. And we're going to have a brief sentence describing each victim that died.
It was a really good idea, just for all of us students come together, understand how lucky we are.
It felt like a lot of respect from our school to support other students around the country.
It really humbles you just to know this could have been me, this could have been any of my friends. I need to be more grateful for the life I have.
I feel like something needs to be done. I can't say I agree with everybody on what should be done with schools and with guns, but I'm glad it's recognized this ain't good.
A big benefit of these type of actions is keeping the conversation about how to reduce mass shootings and prevent mass shootings, kind of keeping the awareness going so that hopefully at some point soon we can reduce those incidents and prevent them from happening again.
For Blue Jay Journal TV, I am Megan Yenzer reporting.